Let's do a first impression of the Hot Tools Volumiser Blowout brush. I'm taking my hair, it's about 90% dry, and I want to give it a big bouncy supermodel blow dry. I've seen this blowout brush everywhere and I really wanted to try it because of the oval shaped head. So I'm going through and literally one pass through my hair and it's taking my hair to straight and voluminous and bouncy, and it's kind of blowing my mind because I'm not great at blow drying my hair. Keep that in mind. So now that I've done most of my hair, I'm changing over to a small brown brush attachment to do my fringe section, just to give it a little bit more volume. Now my tip to get the perfect curtain bangs is to blow dry to the left, to the right, and then backwards. And this is the final look. I'm shocked. I feel like I've just stepped out of a salon. This is hands down my new favorite hair tool. What do you think?